Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Step into Tenerife, a breathtaking beachfront private villa named after an island in Spain, offering an unparalleled blend of elegance and natural beauty. Situated on a private beach where the serene Caribbean Sea gently kisses the sands. This modern villa comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms and is a testament to sophisticated living with 7,512 square feet and its majestic double height ceiling living space. Living in Tenerife is not just a luxury, it's a statement of living life at its finest. This villa modern appeal is sealed with smart features for lighting and includes a 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom staff accommodation. The villa's exterior is equally impressive, sitting on 0.47 acres with a mesmerizing pool that seems to merge with the ocean, inviting you to bask in the sun and savor the tropical island lifestyle. This newly built, unfurnished villa, located in Bengal, Discovery Bay, St. Anne, and just 15 minutes east of Sangster International Airport, represents an exceptional opportunity for a high-end vacation rental investment. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 2.9 million, or Jamaican $446.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.